Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. It is an honor to join you in this grand launch of Digital Halo's MNL1 Data Center, one of the largest carrier-neutral facilities in the country. Your launch here sends a powerful signal that the Philippines is ready to take the lead in Southeast Asia's digital future. The mandate of the President is to go digital and to go AI. I just came from APEC and ASEAN, and it's all digitalization and all digital, all tech, and all AI. So this is the way to go. So again, congratulations, Digital Halo. As directed by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., the Bagong Pilipinas we are envisioning is one digitally empowered, future-ready, and a truly inclusive nation for every Filipino. We at the Department of Trade and Industry are fully committed to not only improve our digital data infrastructure, but also to provide opportunities for better paying jobs to our fellow Filipinos. Very important sa President, foreign trade and investments such as this. Because not only does it provide income for the country, it also gives a lot of jobs to our people. Definitely, he encourages this type of investments because he doesn't want our people to go out and be away from country. So again, congratulations, Digital Halo. I will relay this message to you that this exists and sana you invite me, you wouldn't come to something like this. We will definitely, the Department of Trade and Industry will ensure that investments such as this is successful and thrives. I also noticed that we did not register for BOI or for PESA. We encourage you to register in BOI and PESA to avail of the different incentives that we can give you. The President signed the Create More last year, October, and we signed the IRR this year, 2 months ago. So definitely, this is a game changer and incentives, tax incentives. So I encourage you to avail of it. To our partners at Digital Halo, thank you for believing in the Philippines. To our industry stakeholders, let us continue building smart, sustainable infrastructure that leaves no one behind. Congratulations and good morning.